And now inviting everybody, okay? So wait, Tato. What do we do first every time we start? We have to say, hello, I'm Triple Backa Squad. What about you? No, I'm Miku. What do you want? You're Tato. Yeah. Say hi, Tato. Hi. And join custom night. And we're playing custom, what is it? Internal nights. So yeah, internal nights. Yeah, I'm sorry. Wait, why am I not here? Excuse me.
I just hit it my sunburn and now it hurts.
Oh, that's nice. Maybe stop hitting your sunburn.
Yeah, but I want it to go away, so.
If you hit it, it's gonna hurt, Tethel. Stupid. Yes. Oh my gosh. See, at least I have one biggest fan, and it's golden cheese cookie. Dustin, Wilkes look like Max. Oh, okay. Time to tell my biggest fans. I have to tell my biggest fans. Freaking leave the server. Second, when I can figure out. Oh, I made the same dumb mistake again. Well, nobody wants to come on my server. I guess we're starting. Connect your headphones, I guess. I finally figured it out. I'm happy, but I'm also mad at myself because I could have figured that out sooner. It took me that long. Are you kidding me? We have Freddy, Mangle, Bonnie, Balloon Butt. I hate Balloon Boy. And Artful. Ew. Okay, I don't know if Freddy Mask. Got it. I actually don't know. No. Dustin. Well, Max.
Up,
What?
upside down, it has some.
Oh. Where did Golden Cheese Cookie go? Oh, whatever. Who even cares? Not me.
Who even cares anymore?
So, welcome back to Five Nights Eternal Nights. So, why does this keep oh, it's global chat. So, oh my god, it's Chica. Tato, come in the freaking vent.
I'm sorry.
Or do you want to die? Move out the damn way. Before I get Chica to come here.
Hey. Is she gone? She's gone.
Okay, I don't care. I have we have to leave and come back because Golden Cheese Cookie got an error code saying no, I hate this game. Just in time, I finally figured something out, man.
Anyway,
10 out of 10, Berto. I want to dance with Berto.
come on.
Techno difficulties. VIP makes the bell access, makes the bell go berserk because the best. Makes the bell go Brazil because the best. Things in life are pets. Oh my gosh! And now we have Oliver Tree with us. You're so stupid. You're so no, please. I'm gonna lose all my fans. All my fans that have joined my server. All my sacrifices. Think about that.
No, no.
Oh my god, she's been here. She's been rage baiting hard.
Where's the rope?
You don't say that. It's Not too late. Finally. Tucky longing at the cheeks. Let's see. Touch admin panel. Let me see your phone. Let me see. Oh, good job. Finally. Wait, we didn't even get the option selecting? Yo. Oh yeah, baby. Let's step on the gas. I'm scared, I heard something. It's the best day yet. Okay, Tato, please. I don't want to make this thing too fucking long. Or I'm gonna torturing.
I'm gonna be in the public bathroom.
Wow. Is that chicken? Chicken! Chicken!
I'm too afraid. I'm gonna hide in the jail.
Oh, let's
So do I just sit
see.
here? I've been kicked.
Oh my gosh, that's what it meant.
What?
I thought kicked me. I pressed kick because I thought it would trip you. But it meant kick you off the damn server. How do I invite you? Is there... I'm freezing this guy. I'm freezing you. Select all. Accept myself. I'm freezing everybody. I'm unfreezing everybody. I'm freezing everybody. I'm freezing. You see? Everybody. Don't worry. I'll make a new server soon. But first, I gotta torture everybody. Bro, this guy won't get on my damn. That's what you get. What a loser.
Rebuild as soon as I may. Every other.
I did not see that guy. You died. Or did I?
Just be confident. These 3 instincts ruin my life. Every other day.
Me. Ah, yes, everybody.
What a strange man incompetent. These 3 instincts ruin my life.
What does that even do? I want to know.
Can I join again?
1 second.
Wait, I'm not even in.
What happened?
I'm not in.
In what? I never made a new server. Wait. Oh my gosh, wait, Freddy's right there. 1 second.
Yo.
Sorry, I'm just like,
Who farted?
what does that even do?
Bigger.
He's right behind me, isn't he? Am I dead? Am I dead? Am I dead?
I said
Everybody come to here right now.
So funny to me.
I'm just
Since I'm immortal. There. Oh no, golden cheese cookie.
I said I'm sorry. I'm letting my anger out.
Come here and say hi to Freddy.
I want
I'm having so
Mana,
much fun.
Mana, please, please, please.
No,
I wanna play
Amigu.
with you.
Amigu.
Me too, me too.
Okay, let me just kill everybody, I guess. Don't worry. I killed everybody.
I swear, I'm gonna join this random person.
Don't worry. I'm almost done. I'm almost done.
Can you buy stuff in this game?
I think so.
Mina,
Yeah.
shop. I am a
Don't worry, I'm almost done. No way. Ew. Are you iconic by mistake? I got this. Why am I over here? I'll save everybody. Does that also bring? You know what? Okay, it's actually time to lock in. Okay, I'm making.
I literally tried to put you kick me out. I literally tried to put you kick me out.
Will you forgive me? Here, forgive me.
Yes, of course. Anything for food.
Yep, bubblegum. Okay. Dustin Wilkins and Mike Max. Ah, shoot. This is wrong. Okay, time to create a new one. Oh, shoot. Okay, wait, you can join my server now. Did you join? Did you join?
I had to let my anger out. I'm sorry.
There you go. We all good?
I don't care. Can you please kick out this person?
Ah, too late. Do you like ASMR? Wait, I know how to do ASMR. Give me your microphone.
Stop it. I'll do the ASMR.
No, I'll do it. Where's my microphone? Oh, it's this. I got it. On my mouth. Wait, skip. Bro, when does this game get good?
Get any good.
Night. We don't even know what night it is. Let me try to the left, to the right, to the left.
Hey, back off. Yeah, bro, run. Back off. Don't be sniffing on my sister.
Wait,
Back off.
I'll do it. Oh my gosh. Yes. Come in, my lovely love.
Puede ser peor.
Why would you people lock me out? You don't know how a real pro does it. Why did I get burnt? I think. I'm hungry. Say yes. Toasted. Toasted bread with Nutella. Foxy's right there.
Don't worry. Blah, blah, blah. Why you be still walking? Leave me
Oh,
alone.
dear. What does he even do? I don't even want it. Wait, do you want a megaphone? Tato. Tato, do you want a megaphone? Here you go.
No,
Look
no.
behind you.
I got it.
Clipped. Gosh. Yeah, but wait, I'm throwing out free loot if you want. I'm throwing out free stuff in the hallway if anybody cares. Man, where did everybody go? I said I'm throwing out free loot. Are you gonna come get it? Or... Okay, fine. Don't get it. Oh, this isn't a sword. It's a screwdriver. How stupid am I?
Yes. Lock him out. Please lock him out.
Testing room. Tato?
Miku,
Yes, Tato?
I can grab a flashlight.
Oh, because maybe you ran out.
You guys are so funny sometimes.
Oh, I messed up again. Gotta go bold. Oh, by the way, sorry if the power went out for a second. Did it go out? Oh, don't worry. I'm just replacing the...
Everybody's dying. What do you mean? Oh, don't worry.
No, don't worry. I'm replacing the batteries. Mabon.
I miss my bird.
No, it's because I'm replacing the batteries, that's why. Let me just tell everybody.
I'm good. I died by Chico.
Damn, why would you open both doors? Mabon. Nah, who am I kidding? Why am I even crouching? I'm not scared. Yeah, I know. Everybody get mad. Hi, Bonnie. Don't mind me!
We're cooked. Oh wait, the power's right back on.
Yeah, because I replaced the batteries. And stupid Bonnie found me. Great. This is just all going according to plan. I feel like it's a bit unfair.
Why is she following me?
This is very unfair. But do I care? No. Tato, say cheese. Tato. Say cheese. Doesn't this blind the animatronics?
Yeah.
I'll test that. Of course, you little poor person. I knew what it does! I knew what it does! I save you all. I saw go to I put Chica. I was running away from Chica, and then I found where Golden Cookie was. No.
Oh, look.
Help! I'm a scat man. Skibbity body mono. Body mono. Skibbity body bobo. Get out the way! Nobody help!
Give me some time to check. I'm in the bathroom.
Yes.
15 minutes is all I need. Oh, wait, change my life. Never gonna tell me
Tato, shut up.
I'm
Tato,
getting
Tato,
kicked by 3
Tato, Cookie. Yes,
I
Tato.
got chased by 3 Bonnie, Chica, and Freddy.
What? There's a limit for stuff? Are you kidding me? Man, this is so. Tato. Give me some.
My body was glitching on the.
I just killed everybody and revived everybody. If I can't have any items, nobody can.
I got an item.
Don't worry, guys. I'll help you walk. Do you like this? Okay, fine. Everybody follow me.
Why would be a sacrifice, please? He's so strong.
Look, please. Take that thing. Take it away. No, did somebody take night vision? Oh, I hate you, Golden. Who took it? You did. Drop the night vision.
I did it.
I see it in your face. I didn't die though. My bun. My bun.
You can have it back.
Really, night vision? For me? Thank you. Yay. Okay, I just said I want everybody to be
And
here.
I have this. What?
That's beautiful.
Yeah. You want any chicken and rice? Pasta.
What even happens when I put shadow bar?
I'll tell you if an animatronic. We're good.
Yes, I'm flying. What did you see? How did you die? Wait.
Animatronic was there.
Okay, I literally can't just. That's Freddy. Hey! Man, that was just too easy. Kind of like for the noobs. We did it! Are you happy? Shouldn't that be the end? Bonus clip? Okay, let's see. Restart night. It's restart night at the bottom.
Mama.
Wait, what happened? No, 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 no.
Yeah.
Did you put some?
No. I mean, yeah, a lot. What's the point of putting some blood then if you're done?
Did you put restart night?
Huh? Yeah. Wait, no.
Gosh, no. Don't worry. We'll come back. Mabon. Mabon. What was that? What are you saying? Since I really want you to suffer, guess what I'm doing? Since I really want you to suffer, you know what I'm gonna do? Nope. I'm putting the marionette and the puppet. Okay, you can join now.
I'm not joining.
You're not?
No.
Why? So? It's funny. Oh, wait. Fine.
I need a burp.
I won't add them then. I didn't add the marionette.
No, add it.
You didn't want me to. I took it away. Now join.
No, add it, please. I want this to be funny.
No.
Please, I want this video to be funny.
No, no, no.
For real?
I took it away.
Pacify? Bro. Why would someone put their username as Pacify?
Stop! You're so funny. What happened? Oh. Yo comió. Yo comí. Yo lo comió. Skip. 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 Oh, yes. Time to give myself free stuff. Who's
Can I have free stuff? Like a night?
say please?
Oh my god.
Okay, so I'm throwing night vision. If you want anything, it's on the floor. Peasant. I'll give you some stuff because you're so nice. Since I'm so nice, I'll give you stuff. Are you ready? Actually, I'll give you a megaphone. I hope you like that. Do you like that, a megaphone? Oh my god, it's the cop! I died. There's no way. Oh wait, she's right there. My hideout place. I have no idea. Hey, Chica! Stupid cupcake, always following Chica. I hate this dog. Don't even do anything. Hello, how are you? Everybody, come to me. Follow the leader, follow the leader. If I die, everybody dies, by the way. It's not. No way! I had a whole shield of people and I died. I was using everybody as my shield and I died. That's it. You want to play the hard game, don't you, boy? Dustin. Fine. Aw. Stupid cupcake, stop. Stop it. Stop it.
Okay, where's my stuff?
Oh, you lost it by dying.
Why did you bring me close to you?
Hey, look at me. Am I flying? Do you like that?
I got a ice cream.
A katana. You think you would actually get a katana? Wait, what's your favorite animatronic? In FNAF 1, what's your favorite animatronic?
Bonnie.
Bonnie?
Yep.
From 1 to 10.
10.
Look, Bonnie!
Bonnie, I'm your number one biggest fan.
You like Bonnie a lot, don't you? And do you remember what I want?
Let's talk
No. Dustin. Yeah, I can tell.
I got
this.
Why did this person quit?
What did even do I do?
Oh my gosh, this person's.
I can't even move with free cam. But it's so cute.
I got night vision.
That's nice. I'll give myself night vision actually. Because I need it. I'm blind. Stop flash. Whoever's flashbanging me is gonna die.
Bonnie.
No, golden cheese cookie.
Why are there two Bonnies?
Oh yeah, I accidentally spawned like, I don't know, 10 Bonnies. Everybody come over here. There's no way. There's no way. We have to lock in. We can't be using admin. Teto, stop using admin, okay? Just stop. You're cheating. You're cheating. It's like, can you stop flying and pulling everybody around you? Like, it's not funny. It's not Dustin. Your favorite animatronic was Bonnie?
No.
What is it? Oh, the Foxy? I'm deleting all animatronics. I'm deleting all of the animatronics. That's you. Dustin.
Are the animatronics gone? Like all
Yeah.
of them? You
Yeah.
deleted them?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. And you said you liked Foxy?
Yeah, but only one.
Oh, we forgot about the puppet. Can somebody kill the stupid puppet? So the puppet is okay, don't worry. I'll spawn Foxy, but they're friendly Foxy. Trust me, they don't Trust me, they're friendly Foxy. I hate the marionette. Can somebody like... I'm gonna see if I can wind up the music box, don't worry. Don't worry, Foxy's friendly. I'm gonna see if I can wind up the marionette, is that okay? Don't worry. Freddy! You can't do that! Freddy, you can't kill me. I thought we were friends. Ah, my leg. My foot. My leg. Ow. Oh my gosh.
His arm is sticking out.
Don't worry, it's friendly, Foxy. The Do you know what? That's it. I'm ending this.